In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Decker Coffee Maker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Black Decker Coffee Maker. You will be able to use it to brew a good cup of coffee. Now, the very first thing that you have to pay attention to is which filters your specific model of Black Decker Coffee Maker takes. This one that I chose for this video as an example uses basket. However, your model might use cones, so keep that in mind. I recommend looking over the manual, or you can tell by the location where you would put the filter. Make sure that you are using the proper sized filter. So usually it is going to be between cone and basket. Once you have the proper filter, to get started, make sure that you wash all removable parts and you pour fresh cold water up to the 12 max mark. So as you can see, this is going to dictate how much water is in the Black Decker Coffee Maker. You can fill it up a lot if you are going to be brewing a lot of coffee, or just make sure that you fill it up to a minimum here if you are only making some cups. Plug it into a standard electrical outlet and you will be able to start. So include the filter after you fill this reservoir with water, and you can program the clock. So if you want to have coffee at a specific time of day, you will be able to change the hour, the minute, and then power it on or off. This is optional, however, and you can brew coffee whenever you wish. Open the one-piece cover that you see here, fill the water reservoir if you haven't already, and place the paper filter. With the paper filter properly placed, you will be able to now fill it with ground coffee. Black Decker suggests 1 heaping tablespoon per cup, so make sure that you put as much coffee as you would like. Once the filter is inside of the machine and the side is filled with water over here, you will be able to turn it on or off. When the coffee grounds are cool, you will be able to carefully remove and discard the used filter. To turn off the coffee maker at any time, use the on and off button. So it's as simple as filling the reservoir with water, putting a filter in, and then putting your coffee beans or ground coffee in. After that is done, power it on and it will automatically heat up the water and brew the cup of coffee for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Decker Coffee Maker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.